Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest products. Today, we're diving into the world of home air filtration with the best Honeywell Home Air Filter 20x25x4 on the market. Now, let's talk about what makes this air filter stand out from the rest. With a MERV 8 rating, it offers exceptional protection against a wide range of airborne particles, including dust, viruses, bacteria, fungus, pollen, and spores. In fact, it's 20 times more effective than typical 1-inch fiberglass filters. What sets this filter apart is its ability to promote a healthier household environment. By keeping hazardous airborne particles out and allowing fresh air to flow in, it helps you breathe easy in your own home. Installation is a breeze with Honeywell Home's easy-to-install design. No need to worry about complicated setups or messy installations. Plus, it lasts up to 12 months without losing quality over time, providing long-lasting filtration for your home. Whether you have pets, allergies, or simply want cleaner air, this Honeywell Home Air Filter is a must-have for any household. And with its compatible design for both air cleaners and furnaces, it's versatile enough to suit various needs. That wraps up our review of the best Honeywell Home Air Filter 20x25x4. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get your hands on this essential home accessory. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.